to do that one, what we need to do here, area 1 we need to remove, and we need to say this is ABR router. So what we need to do here, we need to modify here something. So first of all, I will say here like press up arrow, so it will come. I will press here up arrow, and then I will write no here to remove that. And here what I will do, I will write here no router, no, I want to remove for R1 router, no router OA, because I am using the same lab, that's why I am removing that one. So I remove that one. So now we will check, I remove it is there or it is removed or not. So you can write show run and check here. We remove the OSPF. So you can check here, you can see OSPF under this interface, nothing, right? Before you have OSPF enabled under all this interface. So I remove, everything is removed now. So nothing is here, nothing is here. Because I am using the same lab, so I am removing and I am doing reconfiguration. And here also I can check, we are not getting any routes from OSPF. And here is the good, already you have in R2 you have OSPF before, that is okay. You can check here, you have the OSPF, you configure here, that one is good, no problem. You enable the OSPF in this interface here in the R2, only one interface. So that is good, no problem for R2. But R1 now we need to check. What we need to do in the R1, we will do this one, router OSPF 1, then you will write interface F0 by 0 IP OSPF 1 area 0. This one I done. Okay, only one interface I done here. So it is showing it is done here, only this one. After that you will go under the OSPF router OSPF 1. Here you will do redistribute connected subnet. Means when you put this command, all this whatever is connected, it will go in the OSPF. And here it will come. Here if you write show IP route, you can see, you will get after some time, you will get here all the routes, this one. So let's wait and check. Still it is not coming. We need to wait, redistribute connected subnet we wrote already. So let's see, here we have the OSPF we configure, right? Router OSPF 1 redistributed connected subnet we done. So we have loopback also here, right? Let's check show IP interface brief. So we have loopback, so that should go here. Let's check now it came or not. Still not came. So let me check show run. We have OSPF configuration here, I think. Under the interface we have, okay. Let's see it came or not. Show IP route still not came. Maybe I did not write like this. Router OSPF 1 we should have here like this. Before I think we have, but anyhow let's check. In this place you will see somewhere here you have the OSPF is enabled here, you can see. In the R2 I am checking here, and then I am going here, I am checking here, where is the OSPF? Yeah, you have here also OSPF. So you should get the connected routes here. So let's write and check. Still it is not coming, so something wrong here. We need to check why it is not coming here. Show IP interface brief, show IP OSPF interface brief. So this one is in OSPF. It should come here. Why it is not coming? What I done here? We have here OSPF show run. Let me check here what we configure. Here this one is connected we told, and so here we have OSPF this one. So area 0 we are using, so this one is good. F0 by 0 12.1 you have, so this one is good. And you have router OSPF 1 here, router OSPF 1 redistribute connected subnet. So when you write this one, you should get that route here. So maybe there is a issue with this one. So in this scenario I will what we can say, save the configuration, reload. Let's see, because here sometime we have in EVNG or GNS3 sometimes. So let's cross check, maybe something wrong here. If we are not getting, then I will reload this also, because configuration look good to me. Now they form the neighborship. See, after reloading they form the neighborship. So let's see, show IP root here, but still it is not coming. Show IP root, you can write show IP neighbor, show IP OSPF neighbor. So neighborship is there, state is full, everything is good, but it is not coming. Show IP root, let me check and save here, and here also they form the neighborship. What they have any problem, or here it is connected. Show IP OSPF neighbor is there. Show IP protocol is okay. I will save the configuration, and let's see here, show IP root. It is not coming here, not sure what is it. Let me reload here also, the R1 also. It should work, or I don't know, we do any misconfiguration, anything here. We need to cross check. If it is not working, then we need to do. Let's see. Or we assign any wrong IP, because before another lab what we done, that is working, right? ABR. So this should also work. So IP everything is correct only. So let's see here. Show IP root. Yeah, now okay. So what is the problem? When I reload this router, it is working. See, before it is having the issue. I did not change any configuration, just I reload here. So see, this one is coming. OE2 means coming from external. External means something from different routing protocol. If you see, O means OSPF, external type 2, by default you have the E2, external type 2, so you are getting this one. So you are getting this many routes. Imagine you have 4000 route. If you don't want to get the 4000, then what you need to do here, you will write router OSPF 1, and then you need to write, here you have the different command. You need to write summary address, and whatever that address, 172.16.0.0, and give space, write that subnet mask 255.255.248.0. okay, and then wait for some time. All these routes whatever you are getting, it will change to single one. Now we can check, it changed to single one now. See, before you are having this 4000 routes. In our lab we have 4 only, but imagine 4000 before you have, now it become 1. And you can ping, all will work here. Like before 17.16.1.1 it will work, and if you do 2.1 also work, and you do 3.1 also it will work, and if you do this one 4.1 also it will work. So this one we can say summarization. What is a summarization we done here? We done the summarization at ASBR, and you can go here in this router and you can check this router is ASBR or not. How you will write show IP protocol, and you can see here what is written here. It is an autonomous system boundary router, means a router which is connecting different routing protocol to OSPF. That router is known as autonomous system boundary router. Interview question, where you can do the summarization in OSPF? Only 2 places you can do the summarization. One is a ABR, area border router. Area border router is a router which is connecting different area to area 0. That one is known as area border router or ABR. Another place where you can do the summarization means a router which is connecting 2 different routing protocol, OSPF and any other routing protocol. That router is known as autonomous system boundary router, or we can say ASBR. Okay.